Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Monster 5.3 Bluetooth earbuds. I already had this for over a year now, and these are some great earbuds to have. Paired very easily to your mobile device or to any device that you need to hook up Bluetooth. So let me show you how it looks. It's a nice gray color. The case is lightweight. It has the USB-C charger. The battery life on this Bluetooth headset lasts a very long time, and charging it to full charge, it takes about an hour. Once you open up the case, then it's already set to pairing mode. And then these are how the earbuds look. It has microphones, two microphones from the tip here and even on the back. So the audio sounds nice and clear when you're talking through it, or even if you're trying to record through it. I also like how it has its designated spots to the right and the left earbuds. And it also charges these earbuds on the case also. So there's a very good Bluetooth earbuds. So let me show you how they fit in your ear. You pop it in. Fits very comfortable in the ear. Nice snug fit. The microphone sounds very clear. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description. Overall, this is a great 5.3 Bluetooth earbuds. I like how compact the case is. And I also like how you're able to charge the earbuds using the case. This pairs very easily to your mobile device or any device that accepts Bluetooth. And I also like how the battery life is a long time. In charging, it takes an hour for a full charge.